Hello everyone. So today I decided to remind myself about the embedded systems, and I had to make a simple traffic light. That is, I blink 3 LEDs at intervals of 2000 milliseconds. Yeah, 2000 milliseconds. Though I'm going now to make it like a 3000, something like that. That is 3 seconds. So I'm going to take you through the code. Then I also show you the construction as you've seen how it is doing. So in the code, I started first of all. This is my Arduino software. So I installed the Arduino software. I downloaded it from online. I installed it. Then I straight away created a new program. That is new something. Oh, yeah, I opened. So I created a new Arduino program, and as you can see, I think it is a new sketch. You just say I want a new sketch. Yeah, an Arduino program is called a sketch. Yeah, it's called a sketch. So don't be like confused how to create a new program. So it has the void setup part. Void setup is where you define your pins, and I have 3 pins because I want to control 3 pins. That's like a traffic light simulation. So I'm initializing these digital pins, that is 11, 12 and 13 as output. So I say pin mode 11 as output, then I say pin mode 12 as output, pin mode 13 as output. Then so here on this pin mode 11 is where I have my red, and then 12 is where I have my green, and then 13 is where I have my yellow. So that one, don't worry about it. I was just testing because I wanted to put, but don't mind about it. So we can remove it. We can just. So I went to void loop. Yeah, this one, don't mind about it. So go to digital write. So part number 1, 11. I'm making the red. This is in the loop. What will be done over and over again? So this is where the automation comes in. This system will run as long as there is power. So digital write 11 high. So I set pin 11 to high, and then I turn digital write 12 to 0, low. Digital write low. You know, in digital we have high and low. We have 0 and 1. So these ones are set to 0. Then I delay for 3 seconds, and then I turn the first light, which is red, to be off. I give it a low. I told you my 13 is the green, so I make the person to move. Then I now go to 12. Oh, sorry, 13 is yellow. I give him a yellow. Get ready. Hey, then after that, I go to digital write 11. I give it low. It remains low. Then I make 12 high. Then I make 13, which is the 13 is the yellow. So I warn the person that I am about to bring red. Then I give a delay so that I can empty the cars. So after writing that code, I have to upload it. As long as it is detecting my Arduino Uno, you connect it to any part of your computer, USB. So if you don't have a USB, I think you better consider you get an interface for USB, because this thing needs USB. The Arduino is a USB. Needs a USB port. So meaning you have to get, if you don't have USB, you buy an interface for USB. Then now we've seen how our code is. I'll be taking you back to the code. Now I come to design. You know, we have this mode when we are designing this thing, and I just want to sketch for you something. Sorry, I'm taking this somehow. So when you're designing this stuff, you know, we have the power, which is positive. Then we have the negative. So from the negative is where I have my resistor. From the resistor, I go to the LED. And this LED, I want to show you you see how it is? Sorry that you're not seeing it well. The long leg goes to, the short leg goes to the resistor. So the short leg, let me just do it like in a graphical way, because you find your LEDs like this. This is the wrong one. So the wrong one will go to the resistor and go to the negative part of the power. This is the wrong. No, short. Sorry. This is the short. Then the long one will go to the Arduino pin. Because the Arduino pin is the one that is having the positive. It will be complete. You get it? So actually, even if I didn't supply this board with power, I think there was nothing. Even if I didn't supply this board with power. No, it is it is important. It is important. Because if you don't supply the board with power, then there is no negative, meaning your thing is not connected. So this positive is just meant to provide a balance. But I think even if I remove the positive, it will still work, because there is no need. The positive is actually what I'm feeding from here, because what is on the pin, from the pin I tap 5, then 5 goes to the pin like pin 11, and that's where my Arduino, and I'm connecting it with just a cable. This is a wire, and here I'm using a wire. No, not a wire. So basically you can see this. Let me get back to you.